This is from China's Math Olympiad 2021, fill in the blank type of problem, which supposedly take less time. It's given a triangle here, A, B, C, with two side lengths given, and then this median line here is square root of 10. We try to find this expression here for the half angle sine to the 6th power cosine to the 6th power. All right, so this is fill in the blank problem. Try to solve it, and then when you're ready, let's go to the solution. All right, let's look at this problem here. For this angle here, it would be nice if you know the side length of AC, right? Now, for the median length, so there is a median length formula which would be helpful in figuring out the length AC. This is what we're going to do. All right, so there's some review of law of cosine here, and this is sine 2x and also cosine 2x, and also the fact that sine squared cosine squared equal to 1. So we're going to use these identities in the process. All right, the median length formula here can be derived from law of cosine. For example, in this diagram, this median M, how is it related to A, C, and the side length B here? Since this is a median line, so this is going to be M is a midpoint. All right, so we apply the law of cosine in the small triangle ABM here. So what we get is C squared equal B over 2 squared plus M squared plus 2, minus 2m times b over 2 cosine. The angle here is going to be AMB here. Let's call it angle alpha. This would be beta. This is going to be alpha. Now similarly, a squared would equal to b over 2 squared plus m squared minus 2m b over 2. Here the angle is beta, cosine beta. We know that alpha plus beta equal 180 degrees, so which means cosine alpha equal negative cosine beta. All right, so if you add these two equations together, these two terms would cancel, right? Because cosine alpha equal negative cosine beta. So what we get is median length formula here. C squared plus A squared would equal to 2m squared plus half of b squared. All right, so you add up these two equations here. Again, that's what we get. All right, so now we plug in the numbers here, right? So 6, 4, and the square root of 10. Let's do that. So this is 6 squared plus 4 squared equal 2 square root of 10 squared, yeah, plus half of b squared. And here, what we get is 36 plus 16, right? So 36 plus 16, that's equal 52. And here you have square root of 10, which is 10 times 2 would be 20 here. This would be 20, right? Plus 20, right? So what you have is half of b squared would equal to 32. So b equal 64 square would be equal 8. All right, so we get b equal 8. So when b equal 8, now we're going to use law of cosine again to find out what is cosine of a, right? So here we're going to use 4 squared, law of cosine would equal 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 times cosine of a, right? This is again by application of law of cosine. So if we simplify that, right, what you get is 16 equal this would be 100, right? 6, 8, 10 is the common Pythagorean pairs. Minus here 96 cosine A, right? Yeah. So okay. So what is cosine A here? So cosine A would equal 84, yeah, over 96. And here, if you divide by 12, it's going to be 8. And this will be 7. All right, so that's good. However, what we need to find is, remember, we need to find cosine 6 of A plus sine 6 of A. So it's good to know that half angle formula here, right? We're going to figure it out maybe what is sine square half of A, but then we need the 6th power. So it's good to review, how to factor x cubed plus y cubed. All right. So here, this is actually equal x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. All right. So let's do that. So this is what we need to find. We treat it as a 3rd power here, and we use a factor here is x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. And then now you're going to use the fact that sine squared plus cosine squared equal to 1. So this is actually goes away. And here, what you have here is 4th power, right? So here we are using the fact that x4 plus y to the 4th power would equal x squared plus y squared minus 2x squared y squared. So again, here the sum of square equal to 1. So this is going to be 1. It's going to be 1 here. And minus 2 of that, this is for the 1st power. And minus 1, so total minus 3. So what you get is here. And this, again, you're going to use the fact that sine A would equal sine twice of half of A would equal 2 sine half of A cosine half of A. So here we plug in this, becomes sine squared A here, right? Use this fact. And of course, earlier we said that cosine A is 7 over 8. We plug in, all right? So in summary, we have a lot of algebra, but the final answer is this one. So this is an interesting problem, but once you know the proper formula is quite mechanical in the meantime. All right. Hope you enjoy the video, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.